Welcome to the webinar for the sustainability of the PROMOVET Web-Compendium. This is a step-by-step guide that will allow partners of the PROMOVET project, as well as collaborating vocational education trainers, to update the Web-Compendium with new web tools well into the future. This new functionality comes with limited web graphic and design options in order to keep it as simple and straightforward as possible. So let's begin. Step 1. You have to create your web tool using the template shown. This is done in order to keep consistency with the web tools developed during the project. This means that the graphic elements of the platform will not be available, but you will need to download logos or print screen of the tools you want to describe and develop the sections below. The first one will be description. Please keep it within the scale that we've chose during the project, so that's 150 words. Key functionalities. We're gonna skip this part because it involves a lot of graphic design. And then you have to add platforms where you can download the logos of Android, iOS, or web free. You're gonna have to develop the privacy and user data, and using the tool from PROMOVET. It's basically the educational aspect of the tool. After you do that, you will need to log in with these login credentials. This is a web platform where you can log in as partners. This is the username, and those are the passwords. This is the password. After you hit login, you will be taken to the dashboard. In the dashboard, there are a lot of elements. Please do not engage with any other element apart from posts. You have to hover your mouse to posts and go to add new. Be warned that you're not permitted in the PROMOVET Web-Compendium to change any of the other 30 web tools developed. To do that, to add a new post, what you need to do is to copy the name of the new web tool. We're going to use Kahoot as an example. This is what's necessary. Then we're going to copy.
Hello everybody.
Excuse me. We're going to copy description. You see, this is a problem now. When you copy, please take care, never copy the lines, because this will not allow the project to be added, the web tool to be added correctly. What you need to do is go to each and every one word. So description, then the wording after description, the key functionality section, and we're gonna fix the formatting because it's really important, but we're gonna do it in a little bit. then the text below key functionality. I'm gonna skip the who uses a tool, go straight to platforms. Privacy, user data. And finally, using the tool for PROMOVET. Again, be very careful when copy pasting from a table. After doing that, you can close the Word file. We need to take care of the formatting. The description in every title is heading 4. So every single main title should be on heading 4. Platforms should be heading 4. Privacy and user data should be heading 4. Then one heading down, so that's smaller, and that is again heading 4. Sorry, this should be heading 5 because it's one below the privacy and user data, and again heading 4 and heading 5, heading 5. Now we can see here that this part has been in heading 2. We have to change it to paragraph. So the same as normal in a Word file. Now, after we've done that, what we need to do is to choose in the categories the tools, because this is a category tool, and we have to put the image. This is the image that will appear in the PROMOVET tool. So we go to Kahoot in the developed version. What we'll see is that the logo appears first. This is the image. So this is what it will appear. To do that, we go to featured image. In this case, we have already in the media library the image of Kahoot. But all you need to do is just copy and paste or drag and drop the image into this media library. Or you press upload file, you put select file, you download the image from the internet, and let's say this, go to Kahoot, open the image, and after you do that, you save image as Kahoot, you save it in your desktop, and then you can use it as it is here. So drag and drop, You see it's being uploaded, it's already pre-selected, and you just click set image. Now this is the image that will appear. So we have the description, the key functionality, the platforms, and again you can do the same thing with the pictures. So basically you go to Android here and you want to download the Android logo instead of just writing the text Android. Again, you save the image, Android, you click save, and you just drag and drop the image. So that's inserting it into the post, and you can increase it or minimize it as you please. Now, every time that if you do not have time and you want to leave it and then come back to it, you can save it as draft. And then that will save it, that will save the text. As you see here, these are the visual elements and this is a text element, or you can preview it before posting it. Now this is what we've done so far. What we want to do now is never forget that we need to add the excerpt. The excerpt is a part that appears in the outside of the platform. So if we go to tools here, this part is the excerpt. If we don't put the first 3 lines into the excerpt, the description text will appear, and we don't want that. So if we go to the post, we have to take the first, let's say, the first 3 lines until the full stop, copy that and add it to the excerpt. Now if we preview it, and we add it, basically the description like that will appear. As you can see here, it's not difficult at all. All we need to do now is add it to publish it. Now it is published now. So if we update the tools, we're gonna see here, because it's the newest one, it appears first that this is our entry. This is our Kahoot logo, the name, the excerpt, and if we press in, we can see exactly what we've written. And we can change that at any time when we want to update the post, add media, change it in any way we want. Please, the Elementor is an advanced graphic tool. Again, we've disabled any chance that the 30 already developed web tools can be changed. But if you don't have explicit skills using that, please do not use it. And one last thing, what we can do, which is very easy, is if we have developed also a video tutorial for, let's say, Kahoot, all we need to do is just copy the address, go back to the edit and add add the URL. The tool will automatically embed the tool in the website. And then we just update it again and we are done. So if we go back once more, we can see that if we press in Kahoot, what happens is that we have the online platform already in the tools. After we do that, and we're gonna trash that. If you don't like it, you can just delete it. And that's it. That's how we update the web tool. Thank you very much.